The other thing, people seem to get caught up a lot in like, well, what are they going to write about? What is my audience? What kind of content are you going to put out there? And what I tell people is, humans in general are interested in multiple things. So I'm sure you're interested in lots of different things. I'm interested in lots of different things. So what I tried to do at the beginning was I wrote about 2 or 3 different things that I was interested in. Now, the counterpoint here is if you want to grow any kind of audience and build a following, you can't write about completely random 50 different things a week because no one will know what to expect from you or why to follow you or anything like that. But I think it's fairly safe at the beginning. You can write about 2 or 3 different things and your audience will tell you what they want to hear from you. You'll figure out like which topics get traction for you and then which ones don't, and then just double down on what works.